Hey guys, welcome to my channel Financial Bay. So today I'm here with an unboxing video of Postpe card. This is a credit card which I received. It was in one brown packet, and after that opening, this is the small box which I received. Let me tell you about this Postpe card. But before telling anything guys, please like, share and subscribe my video so that you will get my content as soon as I release my videos. In this card it is written anything, anywhere, buy now, pay later. As the name implies, this is a credit card. From this card you can pay through internet banking. You can buy anything, and you will get a grace limit of 30 days for the payment on due date. But if you are not making the payment on a due date, you will be liable for some charges. So let's open this now. This is the card. It's a pretty box. This was the card, and here it was written, "Hi there, welcome to the Postpe family. We are ecstatic to have you on board. Here is a Postpe card in association with the SBM Bank India. Now enjoy the benefits of shopping anywhere, anytime and pay later as per your convenience. With our unique offering, we hope your experience with this card is delightful and rewarding. This is in association with the SBM Bank of India." Team Postpe is written there. This was the card. It is a platinum visa card, and this is the box. In this box I would like to tell you, one QR code was there. So when you log in, from your Play Store, if you download the Postpe app, through that scan option is there. On going to the scan option, you scan the QR code, then this card will be activated for you, and then you will be seeing the limits which has been offered. You have to apply this card through that app only. It takes around 15 to 20 working days for the card to come, basis on your eligibility. So this was a very short video with you. So thank you guys. Hope you like my video. Please like, share and subscribe. Thank you so much.